What is curtain wall? Welcome to Building Knowledge 101. In this video, we share the evolution of storefront systems and how they can be used as entrance focal points and in monumental elevations. In the mid-1900s, commercial construction started to switch from relying on brick and block for structural support to the use of structural steel. The impact of this was huge. It moved the structure from the exterior of the building envelope to the interior behind the building envelope. Without the limitation of brick and block, we could now build much taller buildings in urban areas where the land was limited and expensive. Because storefront systems drained water down the verticals, it could not be used on these new taller buildings. A new system was required. Curtain wall was introduced to meet the new demands of new construction methods. With the advent of curtain wall, glazing could now enclose more of the building envelope. This is the ASTM definition of a curtain wall, a non-bearing exterior wall secured to and supported by the structural members of the building. Note that curtain wall is to the exterior of the structure of the building and is secured back to the structure. It is called curtain wall as it is hung from the structure and encloses the building behind it. The term non-bearing is critical because curtain walls are not intended to support other components. You do not want to see a canopy secured to curtain wall mullions or mullions used to support the roof of a vestibule. Wider vertical spacing or taller elevations that exceed the capacity of storefront needs to utilize curtain wall. Here you can see a slab-to-slab elevation, but due to the height, curtain wall is required. Oftentimes, lobby areas of buildings might span 2 stories. Because curtain wall is available with frame sections up to 10.5 inches deep, single verticals can free span monumental elevations like this. Here, curtain wall is used as a focal point at the entry where everyone's going to pass through it, while the remainder of the glazed area reverts back to a more economical storefront system. This is an example of a typical free-span curtain wall application. This elevation is 20 foot tall. The verticals are 60 foot on center. If we assume the design load to be 25 PSF, it will require either a 7.5 inch deep system with internal steel or a 10.5 inch mullion without steel. That is all we have time for in this video. If you'd like to watch more of our 101 video series, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Kawneer Company, Inc.